I'm Tara Sweeter for InvestmentPitch.com. Hathor Exploration, symbol HAT on the Toronto Stock Exchange, has announced summary results of a preliminary economic assessment on its Roughrider Uranium Deposit. The assessment was done by SRK Consulting Canada and filed with securities regulators. Hathor's Roughrider deposit is located in the strategic Athabasca Basin of northern Saskatchewan. The Athabasca Basin is the premier high-grade uranium exploration and mining district in the world and supplier of all Canadian uranium production. Saskatchewan provides one of the most stable, expert, and supportive regulatory regimes for the uranium industry of any jurisdiction in the world. According to the preliminary assessment, Roughrider will potentially be one of the lowest cost uranium producers in the world because of the high-grade uranium and shallow depth. Economic analysis for a standalone mine and mill operation were run under 3 different uranium price scenarios, with the pre-tax payback period ranging from less than 10 months, with uranium at $90 US per pound, to less than 20 months, with uranium at $60 US per pound. The economic model contemplates 4 years of mine construction, followed by more than 10 years of mining and milling to produce 52.3 million pounds of U3O8. The shallow depth of the deposit allows for the use of a decline to access the underground workings, as opposed to development of multiple shafts, along with the low daily milling rate of about 200 tons per day and the high metallurgical recovery rate will all help to keep production costs low. It is important to note that this preliminary economic assessment is based exclusively on the West Zone and East Zone mineral deposits and does not include the anticipated potential Far East resource estimate. Hathor has, like all uranium companies around the world, faced depressed uranium prices and a significant decline in share price following the events at Fukushima, and heightened by the recent general decline in global equity markets. The company recently received an unsolicited takeover bid from another uranium company, though the board of directors of Hathor has unanimously recommended that shareholders reject this offer, in part because of the best-of-breed quality of the Roughrider uranium deposit compared to other undeveloped uranium deposits elsewhere in the world. The Roughrider uranium deposit is one of the most significant discoveries in the Athabasca Basin in the past 20 years. The grade is among the highest of all deposits discovered in the Athabasca Basin, and drilling on the Roughrider uranium deposit has resulted in, over the 2.5 years since its discovery, some of the richest intersections in the history of the region. For more details on this important news from Hathor Exploration, please visit their website, www.hathor.ca. The company's media and investor relations are handled by Kelsey Murray. She can be reached at 604-684-6707 or by email kmurray@hathor.ca. I'm Tara Sweeter for InvestmentPitch.com. For more news, check out our website, InvestmentPitch.com. This video is for information purposes only and is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities.